So a landing page is, again, the first page that a visitor will visit when they first come to your site. It is very crucial for you to understand how important your landing page is to your visitor. This is where you're going to sell your products, your services. This is basically your first impression. So you need to be able to show them your arsenal of services, your arsenal of products, and be able to keep them on the page long enough to convert a sale. So some of the things we're going to talk about is the difference between a long landing page versus a short landing page. A long landing page shows maybe more authority in regards to how professional you are and how much information you can provide, and we'll dive into that. Where a short landing page will actually be able to close a faster conversion because it gets straight to the point and breaks it down quickly. Stay tuned, I'll give you some more information about the difference between longer landing pages and shorter landing pages.